Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, John, and today, I have someone very special joining me. Emma, thank you so much for being here today.
Hi, John. Hi, everyone. It's such a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
The pleasure is all mine, Emma. Today is really important because we're going to talk about something that sounds simple but is actually one of the most powerful skills you can ever learn, introducing yourself in English. Whether you're at school, at a job interview, meeting new friends, or speaking in public, knowing how to introduce yourself confidently makes a huge difference. Oh, and before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, otherwise, you might forget Emma tomorrow, and trust me, she's unforgettable. Alright, Emma, let's get started. Could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Of course, John. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I'm 24 years old, and I'm really happy to share a little about myself today. I come from London, where I grew up in a very supportive and loving family. I completed my studies in English literature, and during that time, I developed a strong passion for learning and communicating with people from different cultures. Currently, I'm working as an English lecturer, which allows me to use my skills and creativity every day. One thing I really love about my job is that it gives me the opportunity to grow, learn.
That's great. Now could you please tell us your hobbies, Emma?
Outside of work, I have many hobbies. I enjoy reading books, especially motivational and travel stories, because they inspire me to see the world differently. I also love music, cooking new recipes, and spending time with my friends and family. Traveling is another passion of mine. Every new place I visit teaches me something valuable. If I talk about my favorite things, I'd say my favorite color is blue, because it reminds me of peace and calmness. My favorite food is pasta, and I can never say no to chocolate. Another important part of my life is the support I get from my family and friends. They always encourage me to follow my dreams and give me the confidence to move forward. In short, I would describe myself as a curious learner, a passionate worker, and someone who loves to connect with people.
That was amazing, Emma. Thank you for such a warm and inspiring introduction. I'm sure our audience has learned a lot about how to introduce themselves in a friendly yet professional way.
Thank you, John. I really enjoyed sharing my introduction.
And to all our listeners, now it's your turn. Practice introducing yourself just like Emma did. Don't forget, confidence is the key. Emma, thanks again to join us. I hope our audience liked you.
It's such a pleasure to be here.
That's it for today. We'll see you in another video. Till then, if you enjoyed, hit the subscribe button, listeners. Have a good day. You can mention in comments section on which topic you want to see me in another